Good morning, Dave Holtzman with Search Solution Group here. We are at Michael Weinig Incorporated in Mooresville, North Carolina. Search Solution Group and Michael Weinig have been great partners for several years, filling some key positions across different divisions within the company. Let's go in and have some conversations.
So at the core of our company, ultimately, we are helpers. We're providers of support to our customers who are making the products that their customers want and desire and buy. We're providing the support mainly through machinery, but also through other solutions that we offer that help and enable our customers to be able to make products better, safer, more efficiently, more profitably. That's where we align ourselves with those manufacturers. When we talk about the industry that Weinig supports, it's the woodworking industry. That could be people who make hardwood flooring or cabinetry or even building materials out of wood. And there's a certain satisfaction within that industry of people because they're crafting, first of all, a renewable, sustainable resource into a tangible good. So at the end of the day, they're able to look at that good and they say, I made that. And that's going to help my end customer. That's going to either build their home or furnish their home, but that tangible piece I made. And there's satisfaction on that.
The work culture here at Weinig is quite different than most. We're entrepreneurial at heart, meaning from our customer side, even into our individual employees. So even from the customer who comes in and wants to run one of our machines and create and build something, we also strive for that in our intergroup workings.
We definitely like to have fun. We are very family oriented. We support each other through good times, bad times. We do a lot of reaching out to the food banks. We do angel trees. We just like to give back to the community.
Customer service is key. It's a German company, right? So we do things with the employees here that bring it kind of together as a family, meaning things like our Oktoberfest event coming up here in the next few weeks. We do our trade shows, and in all of those events, every employee in the company is involved, from either working here in the office to handle the back order stuff or actually being on the show floor to get that piece done. You'll see it going on right now where accounting people are actually setting up for a sales event, right? So we're very integrated in what we do here. SSG's done a lot for us. They've brought in interns for summer roles, and then we've gone head-to-head with competitive negotiations for employees, for our staffing. So it really depends on that role that we're after and what needs are there. There's been several roles that they've placed. I know just in my department alone, we've placed our accounting, I guess at the time it was senior accountant, and we've rolled that up now to what was an accounting supervisor and now the business analyst. And that's been a key factor for us, is just seeing that internal growth, right? When you see the right individuals come into those roles, you can see the potential of what they can do and what they can help you with in the future. And that's been a key for us. So there's a lot of problems in hiring. The biggest one for us is just the weeding and the vetting from the original standpoint, right? The reaching out to individuals that might be looking for a new job. We have a lot of opportunities here. I think SSG understands what those opportunities are. And with partnering with them over a long period of time, it allows them to fill our needs better, right? Meaning they understand the culture, they understand the individuals that are already here. And the hardest part of recruiting in itself is just finding the individual, right? If you find the people, then you can do the rest of that. Our part's easy. It's the vetting and the hiring process up front that's the hard part. The overall placement's really good. You know, SSG seems to understand what our needs are, not just from the job role itself, but from the company perspective. We do have a niche in the market, right? Our employees are, we like to consider it one of a kind, meaning you have to fit the culture, you have to fit the principle and the needs here. And if you can't strive to help the entire group, then that need's not being met. And SSG understands that. They understand what we need, and we've never had an issue with them before. With SSG, we seem to always seem to get that consistent base of high quality individuals.